Hi there, it's Dr. Heyer from Holistic Health, where we use chiropractic, acupuncture, nutrition to help sick people get well and help well people stay healthy. In this video series, we've been discussing posture and how posture can correlate to longevity or helping live a longer life. And there's an interesting article out of the Archive of Internal Medicine that actually discuss that poor posture can actually decrease the longevity or increase your mortality and actually increase your chances of having things like cardiovascular disease, strokes, as well as respiratory health issues. And let me just explain a little bit more about that. So let's say this is a drawing of somebody with normal posture, normal curves in their spine. By having good posture, it allows the rib cage to expand, bringing in good oxygen so that the brain gets oxygen, your cells and your tissues get oxygen, right? It also has room for the heart to beat unirritated. Whereas if we have this picture of somebody with poor posture or forward head position, straightening of the neck, excessive kyphotic curve, what that's actually going to do is compress the ribs, not allowing for full expansion, not allowing for full expansion so the lungs can get all the oxygen in it needs, and also compressing and squeezing the heart. Now, can the heart work? Yes. But the more compressed and the more stress you put on it, that shortens the lifespan of those tissues, thereby decreasing longevity and increasing the mortality and developing these other things. Now, obviously there's other cofactors that come into play in cardiovascular disease and strokes and respiratory health issues, but I think this is oftentimes a factor that is overlooked or not given enough credibility or importance as it should. So if you know somebody who has poor posture, or if maybe you have poor posture and want to work on improving that so you can have better health overall, give us a call or shoot us a message and we'll be happy to get you scheduled for an evaluation. And if you could do me one last favor. If you like these videos, do me a favor and hit the like button, comment, and share so that we can help other people get this information as well. Thanks, have a great day.